Recording.
They were $15.
Okay.
And
if you guys hear something out of the way, don't pay attention.
So how you figure I don't wear Victoria's Secret sprays?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cans of tomato paste.
I figured like you got your gift card. You just get what you want on it.
We're gonna open them.
That's what I said.
Mom. Don't stop, guys. Hey guys, it's recording. We're making the video. Don't stop. Max, you wanna entertain your people and spread out your page?
I'll fill y'all up with information.
Yeah, tell people about you. Don't move the thing, just tell people about you. No. Go check out Beaver Fever Girls 713. Oh, 100, I'm sorry. Beaver Fever Girls 100. Okay. See this tomato sauce paste? It's my weakness. I love it. I really do.
Gross, Misty. Gross you are.
Is somebody talking to me?
Where do we get sauce from? I left him here for emergency.
Okay, we're gonna
don't open.
Stop.
What about the emergency? Because Nancy puts.
I don't like this lemon. I like
okay, YouTube. This is what it looks like when we add our vegetables and the meat and everything in there, our seasonings. What we got in there, Mom? Tell everybody what we put in there.
Piperche. Puro.
Talk louder, dude.
Piperche, puro, cayenne. Black pepper. Oil, water.
How much water and how much oil you put?
And you just have to cover your meat like that.
Alright.
And don't add your salt to the last. And Missy just got a pepper seed in her eye. 911.
Oh. Okay. That's all we need to know. We'll come back whenever we're done. Okay. This is what the sauté looks like with the tomato paste. We're getting ready to add our rice right now. We got Lila on the phone and she says, "What's up?" Shout out to my home dog Sandra. Yeah.
Holla.
Yeah. We got Mama Kunta up here putting that rice up inside the sauté. Mama Kunta's got that going down. Mama Kunta. Mom, don't even make fun of me. Don't even make fun. I'm going to pause it now. Bye, everybody. Bye.